Subcompact na SUV na siguradong magugustuhan mo? Yan ang Toyota Yaris Cross. Mula sa aggressive and sporty look na exterior hanggang sa super cozy na interior. Glossy na door panels, naka-EPS na manibela at naka-leather wrap na rin. Audio and control switch and features like adaptive cruise control, pre-collision system, automatic high beam, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitor with 10.1-inch audio display. Sobrang convenient din ng smart keyless entry, naka-push start button at marami pang safety features. Practical storage and cup holders at visor na may mirrors at lights. Super luwag na interior at super comfortable din. 8-way powered ang driver seat at naka-leather na rin. Sobrang luwag na second row na may sariling AC vents. Sa labas naman ay merong LED headlamps at LED tail lights. Meron ding rear spoiler at meron na ring roof rail. Meron din itong variant na naka-black top at variant na may moonroof. Naka 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels, ventilated disc brakes sa harap at solid